Hello everyone, if you're trying to browse the internet and you keep getting this Cloudflare error, error 502 bad gateway, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that error on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. You're going to go on to your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you'll have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you'll have WLAN. Just click on your internet connection and then click change settings of this connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write the following DNS server address here, 8.8.8.8 and then write 8.8.4.4 in the alternate DNS, click OK as well, disable your internet device, wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that go ahead and enable your network device, wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, you're going to open up your web browser and you'll try to go to any website and you'll see that it will work correctly. You will not get that Cloudflare error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.